The NBA season starts in 2 weeks, but this week the LA Clippers and the Charlotte Hornets traveled halfway around the world to play 2 exhibition games in China. Their first game took place here in Shenzhen. It was the first time Shenzhen, a city bordering Hong Kong, has hosted any NBA game, and it was a sellout. More than 17,000 people turned up, and for many, it was their first live game. One fan even paid over $340 to sit in the 10th row.
呢啲飛我覺得 OK 啦，難得一次可以現場咁近距離嘅睇一場比賽。
And for some players, it was their first time in China.
The worst is the flight, but getting over here is. I feel like I'm at home. It's a big, beautiful city. The weather is nice, but people are so friendly. It's just real cool, man. It warms my heart, you know.
Yeah, this is my first time in China. Just seeing the culture and seeing how the fans react with the NBA players, it's pretty special. You don't get that at home.
When somebody outside of the country knows who you are, I don't take that stuff for granted. I was doing a workout last night. People were like, Crawford. I'm like, that's so cool to me, you know, and I don't take it for granted. Very appreciative.
Clippers coach Doc Rivers sees this opportunity in China for his players to bond together.
I think when you go out of your comfort zone, it forces your team to kind of spend more time together than they would probably at home. So it's probably a better thing that we're here than at camp.
Although the Clippers have played in China before, it's a first time for the Hornets. Fans seem particularly excited for one Hornets player. Jeremy Lin, who made headlines in 2012 for his insanity winning streak for the New York Knicks, was one of the top scorers in the game with 16 points. The Hornets won his 3rd straight preseason game, 106-94. But veterans like Jefferson aren't celebrating too early.
Well, you know, I've been on teams that went 8-0 in preseason, and we didn't have a good regular season. So at the end of the day, the goal is to have a great season and to make the playoffs. But the preseason is just what it's for, you know, just to get adjusted to your new teammates, get adjusted to the offense, and just get out there and get a feel of things.
Fans may have missed out on watching Clippers star Chris Paul. He broke his finger during practice. But ex-NBA stars like Dikembe Mutombo, Patrick Ewing, and Michael Jordan appeared at the game to make up for it. Jordan, returning to China after 11 years, is hailed as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He helped increase NBA's popularity in China and is now an owner of the Charlotte Hornets.
I would have never thought in 1990 it would have grown this fast or this big, but we're very fortunate that the game is spread that much and it's loved by many here. I think it's only going to continue to grow, and I think the players enjoy coming over and relating with the fans here in China. And it was fun even when I played. So it's gotten a lot bigger now, and I think it's good for the game.
The Clippers and Hornets will face off again on Wednesday in Shanghai before flying back to the US. The NBA season begins on October 27th.